In the creative corners of Multimedia University, a new kind of a storyteller is rising. Meet Enoch, a student at Multimedia University who is a photographer, videographer, and a visual storyteller. With a camera in hand and a vision in mind, he is not just capturing moments, he is building a movement. He turns passion into a purpose and a hobby into a fast growing brand.
Hello people, my name is Enock, the founder of Etech Studios. It is a studio that is working about, it has a lot of services like drone services, all it include all, let us say, cinematography, video shooting, drone shooting, choir recording, and all those, even live streaming. That is generally what Etech Studios does, and I am the director of Etech Studios.
His journey started back in high school, shooting concerts, events with basic equipment. What began as a hobby quickly evolved into a passion. Enoch's breakthrough came with a string of viral school videos, a concert that was held in Kisses School. His ability to document school life with emotions and energy caught the attention of many. But it was his recent coverage of the university debates during the students' election that really elevated his work.
One of my most famous, well-known project is, which has around 80k viewers in YouTube. It was a video that I shot and edited. It was about Kisi School, Maranda, Mangu, Mongori High School, those big schools. So I made up a clip, and that clip I edited it and posted on my YouTube, and it came viral. Another one is about the multimedia debate that I shot recently. It has more than, let us say, 2k viewers, and that is how many people knew me. So many people can call me in their barrio. I can take that live stream.
So next we have the executive. So we will start with Jan Bahati.
I, Jan Bahati, having been elected as the Secretary, Health, Environment and Special Needs of the Executive of Multimedia University of Kenya Students Association, I hereby swear and pledge that I shall honor and respect the instruments that govern the university. I shall uphold and defend the Constitution of Multimedia University of Kenya Students Association. I shall seek to defend and respect the democratic rights and liberties of all MUXA members. I shall execute my duties with due diligence and competence as provided for in the MUXA Constitution, without fear or favor, yet or hindrance, and without personal biases. I shall serve all members equally, irrespective of race, creed, color, gender, or ethnicity, and I shall not compromise the rights and privilege of any member. I swear this pledge with full knowledge of my responsibilities and bind myself by the same. So help me God.
Capturing not just visuals but spirit of campus leadership, Enoch turned a routine event into a compelling story. With Etech Studios gaining traction, Enoch has no plans of slowing down. His dream is to grow Etech into a full-scale production house and create opportunities for other young creatives. For Enoch, it's not just about the camera, it's about impact, visions, and gaining back to the creative community that shaped him.
About the future, I want I want to come with a big company that is Etech Studios. I want to come to buy drones, cameras, so that I can employ any youths who are jobless, so that they can get employment.
From a high school dream to a growing brand, Enoch is a proof that with passion, purpose, and persistence, anything is possible. This is more than just a filmmaker. This is a young man framing his future and helping others do the same. For more updates about the future of photography, don't forget to follow Etech Studios at all social media platforms. My name is Sharon Kemunto, and this is Roshni TV, spotlighting the stars of tomorrow today.